Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Quora account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Quora application. At first, you need to get logged into your account, so tap in Login. Provide your registered email address and password. Tap in Log In. At the homepage of Quora, you can see profile icon on top left corner. Tap in it. Tap in Settings. Under Settings, you tap in Account. As you can see in the Password section, Change Password. Tap in Change Password. To change your password, first of all you need to enter your current password. Now go in for providing a new password. Retype a new password for the confirmation. Tap in Change Password. Your password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Quora account password. Thank you.